Apply this to your joints and bones. Miracle Aloe Vera Tincture. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks. Hello, dear followers and new visitors to my channel. Today I want to share a healthy recipe. What if just one familiar ingredient in the kitchen could make your joints flexible and less painful, as if they had just been revived? This succulent plant, thought to be only for beautifying the skin, can become a savior for your joints and bones. The secret lies in the magical aloe vera tincture that few people know about. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Take one aloe vera branch and cut it into small pieces. I am preparing a medicinal wine from aloe vera. This recipe is good for joint and knee pain. I recommend you to follow the recipe carefully and prepare it yourself. Put aloe vera in a glass jar. Add 1 tablespoon of cloves. I use white vinegar. You can also use apple cider vinegar if you like. Add vinegar until the ingredients are covered. Close the jar lid. Get a pot. Line the inside with a towel and place the jar in. Pour water in and place on stove. Wait for the water to boil. Simmer for 30 minutes. Wait for it to cool. Puree ingredients in a blender. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Filter the solution through a sieve. You can store this alcohol in a cool, dark place for up to 6 months. Now let's get to the usage. This is a medicinal wine that is very good for health. I call it bone wine. How to use. You can use this tincture twice a day, morning and night. Apply it to your elbows, knees, and painful joints. For finger deformities, massage with this alcohol twice a day. It is good for uric acid buildup in the joints. You can use this tincture for arthritis and dry joints. Use for 1 to 2 months, then stop. After 2 weeks, you can use again. Use until the pain disappears. You will see noticeable results. No need to rinse after application. Please write your questions in the comment section. I will make more videos according to your requests. Thanks for the kind wishes. Let's continue with the skincare recipes. Today, I will share how to care for your skin with aloe vera gel and cornstarch. Let's continue with the skincare recipes. Today, I will share how to care for your skin with aloe vera gel and cornstarch. Take an aloe vera branch. Remove the outer skin. Natural aloe vera gel is gorgeous. Now take the gel part. Put the gel in a blender. Don't throw away the aloe vera skin. We'll make another recipe out of it. Put aloe vera gel in a glass jar. We can use aloe vera gel in many ways. For example, you can apply the gel directly as a moisturizer. Now I will try it on my hand, then I will try it on my face. You will see the amazing effect. Gel helps rejuvenate skin, restore, and provide abundant moisture. Store natural aloe vera gel in the refrigerator for about 7 to 10 days. Now I will make a skincare recipe from this gel. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. The formula helps firm, whiten skin and makes you look 10 years younger. 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Add cornstarch. If you have potato starch, that's fine too. Add 1.5 tablespoons cornstarch. Stir well until mixture thickens. Add 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Continue stirring. This is a disposable mask, no need to store. Before applying, wash your hands. Then apply evenly on skin. Cornstarch helps firm the skin, while aloe vera gel hydrates. This combination helps regenerate skin cells, tighten and rejuvenate the skin. This is a very simple mask consisting of cornstarch, aloe vera gel, and coconut oil. It helps to whiten the skin instantly. Can be applied to the face, neck, chest, and hands. Leave the mask on for 20 minutes. During this time, the skin and muscles will relax. The mask will gradually tighten the skin. After 20 minutes, rinse with water. skin will become soft, smooth, and fresh. It feels amazing. This mask will leave your skin glowing like a pearl. This mask is suitable for all skin types. After washing, you can apply more moisturizer, or simply apply a layer of natural aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel does not need to be rinsed off. The skin will absorb and be richly hydrated. The gel also helps to regenerate skin cells and plump the skin. You will see great results. See you in the next videos. Stay healthy.